Title: Science and the Creation of Man. Part 1. The Questions of Origins. In the endless void before time, only silence ruled. Stars had not yet been born, galaxies had not been spun, and the breath of creation was still trapped in a whisper. Eons passed. Then, in a sudden cosmic upheaval, a spark flared in the nothingness. From that singularity, the universe was born, a violent birth of light and energy, space and time, atoms and chaos. The Big Bang. 4 billions of years, stars formed and died, giving birth to heavier elements. Planets swirled into being, some barren, others cradling the potential of life. Among them, a blue marble orbited a modest star, Earth. It was here that nature and time began an intricate dance. Volcanoes raged, oceans boiled, and lightning stitched the skies. Within the chemical soup of the early seas, simple molecules combined to form complex chains. Proteins, RNA, the building blocks of life. And then, the miracle occurred. Life sparked. Part 2. From Cells to Consciousness. First came the single-celled organisms, bacteria and archaea that fed on sulfur and heat. For billions of years, they ruled in silent tenacity. Then, around 2 billion years ago, some of these cells joined forces, evolving into more complex forms, eukaryotes. Life grew more intricate, more elegant. Coral reefs, trilobites, ferns, dinosaurs, all came and went. Evolution sculpted every species with the invisible chisel of natural selection. Among the billions, a primate emerged on the plains of Africa. A creature that walked on 2 legs and wondered. Homo sapiens. Humans. With a brain unlike any before, humans didn't just survive, they questioned. Where did we come from? Why are we here? What lies beyond the stars? Part 3. The Rise of Science. Millennia passed, and humans built civilizations, languages, tools, temples. They worshipped the sun, the rain, the unseen forces. But alongside faith, another voice began to whisper, curiosity. That voice grew into science. In Babylon, men charted stars. In Greece, philosophers proposed atoms. In the Islamic Golden Age, scholars preserved and expanded the knowledge of the ancients. Alhazen questioned the nature of light. Ibn Sina explored medicine. Al-Khwarizmi invented algorithms. Centuries later, Galileo turned a telescope to the heavens and proved that Earth was not the center. Newton uncovered the laws that bound the cosmos. Darwin unveiled the tree of life. And Einstein bent space and time. Science, a torch passed from hand to hand across centuries, now illuminated the mysteries of the universe. Part 4. Science meets soul. Yet, for all its triumphs, science could not explain everything. Where did the initial spark come from? What force lay behind the laws of physics? Could the intricacies of DNA, the miracle of the human eye, the rise of consciousness, truly be only chance? Even the greatest scientists marveled. Einstein said, "The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. It is the source of all true art and science." Stephen Hawking asked, "What breathes fire into the equations?" Science revealed the how of creation, but not the why. And man, ever torn between logic and longing, began to seek both.